up, everybody? This is Rona Rose, aka Brown Sugar, and you're tuned in to Shawn Michaels Cyber Bliss. Here we go. It was love at first sight. I know from the way he looked at me. Ooh, his eyes said it all. Long days and nights we spent until he dropped the bomb on me when he said that he was unhappily married with children, and I wish I never met him at all, even though I love him so, and he's got love for me, yeah. But he belongs to someone else. It hurts so bad, for sure, because he wants to be with me. Oh, but he cannot be with me. He chose to stay at home so they could be a family for the children. But what about me? And I wish I never met him. Oh, even though I love him so, and he's got love for me.